Satnam and welcome to the Spiritual Toolbox. In today's video, I wanted to go over with you briefly on how to create a sacred space and to create your own rituals. And rituals and celebrations have been around for thousands of years and they're so important. And now is the time that we really have to feel this connection with our higher self and this communion with the universal energy. And a ritual is a wonderful way to do that. And rituals can take the form in all different types of things. Rituals are in your life already, some good and not so good. So it's really kind of a time to be accountable for what rituals you're doing and maybe starting to clear that energy and then start to create a new rituals. So today's ritual that I'm doing and the altar that I've created is for a new moon event that I'm doing live. And I wanted to cultivate the awareness for all of the goddesses, this connection to their higher self, as well as the violet flame. And so I incorporated all these purples. So you can see the balls that I have that light up, and they change colors, but tonight they're just going to be in this beautiful lavender. And I put a lot of amethyst. I have this really nice big chunky piece. You want candles and you want crystals, you want flowers. I have fresh flowers. I sometimes take them from my garden, sometimes I buy them at the store, it just depends what I have. I use herbs a lot of times on my sacred altars. I also use, whenever I'm working with the moon, I love to bring in the female energy, the divine. So we're working with this Mother Mary. This was something that a student made for me a few years back, and I just cherish it. It's so beautiful. So she comes out on the altar quite a bit, and right underneath there, I just put another little baby heart. And then I brought in my moon wand. This is selenite. It has all the phases of the moon. And again, each time you create an altar, it can have different themes to it, but this one right now is going with the moon. I have moon deck cards in here, more amethyst, things, little rocks that give you inspiration, affirmations, magic. I have wisdom. I am so blessed. I have my moonstone that I use, and I also have on the new moon, the black moonstone. And it's just in a cute little wood bowl. I don't want to dump them all out, but they're in this little wood bowl that's shaped like a heart. And then the other thing is any type of sound, like a bell, just to maybe kind of let you know that you're now in ceremony, and then maybe when you're out of ceremony. And also the vibration of sound is beautiful when you're creating beautiful rituals. And along with this altar, I put in some fresh lavender. Again, just kind of going with the theme Palo Santo that will light when we first began. I have this copper bowl full of water for water blessings. Bringing in all the 4 elements into your rituals is so important. Bundles of sage, you can find these on Etsy and they're beautifully crafted. All different colors, different ones, just go on there. You can find really great spiritual tools to fill your toolbox. And then of course a candle, any kind of candle. And also you need to, at the beginning of your ritual, I always sage my whole space as well as myself, and anyone that's going to be taking the ritual with me is also being sage. So today I'm all set up. I have some students and girlfriends coming over to join me in this live ritual. So I hope this kind of gives you a little insight. Use trays, use flowers, vases, statues, anything that pictures of your family, anything that really kind of makes you feel connected and that higher vibration, and that's really what we're all working on. And if you love this video and you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and even hit the bell so that when the next video comes in, it'll come right into your mailbox. And if you want to learn more about the Spiritual Toolbox membership, go ahead and find the link down below. And we have 2 weeks of free. It's a trial. And it includes these beautiful moon events that I'm doing live and 2 weeks of Kundalini yoga. That's a high vibrational yoga, feeding your mind, body, and your spirit, and really raising your vibration so that you can face the challenges in your life without any anxiety, without any fear, and just really feel abundant in all areas of your life, boosting your relationships and just boosting your heart and your joy, and most of all, your health. So again, make sure you subscribe, come back, see Teddy and I. We would love to have you as part of our community. Have a lovely day. Satnam and Namaste.